Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer support automations from Kustomer to Zendesk, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring customer support automations from Kustomer to Zendesk, start by assessing your current automations in Kustomer. Log into your Kustomer account and navigate to the automation section. Identify all the current workflows and rules that you have set up. Take notes on the specific triggers, actions, and conditions of each automation. Next, log into your Zendesk account. In Zendesk, familiarize yourself with the Automation and Triggers section. Create a mapping document for each customer automation. This document should outline the equivalent settings in Zendesk for each rule. Now, start with your first automation from Kustomer. Review the trigger type in Kustomer. In Zendesk, navigate to the Triggers section and create a new trigger. Ensure you replicate the same trigger type. Next, set up the conditions that you noted from your Kustomer automation. Make sure to match the logic and phrasing as closely as possible. After setting up the conditions, move on to the actions. Select the actions you need to replicate from Kustomer. Match them to their corresponding actions in Zendesk. Once you've created the automation in Zendesk, save it. Repeat these steps for each automation you noted earlier. After transferring all automations, it's crucial to test each one. Run tests to ensure that the triggers activate as intended in Zendesk. If any discrepancies arise, revisit your mapping document for adjustments. Make sure to queue some test tickets to check the workflow. Once satisfied with the testing, finalize the transition. Document any changes made during the process for future reference. Finally, inform your team about the new automations in Zendesk. Provide any necessary training for using the new system. This will ensure a smooth transition from Kustomer to Zendesk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.